As I'm sure you're aware, I really enjoy chicken wings. Most of the time I'll have them in a buffalo style sauce, or I'll be putting on some of my seriously hot sauce like you see behind me over there on the shelf. The problem is though, when you're making chicken wings, is that there's 3 parts to the chicken wing, and the chicken wing tip is typically discarded. I don't throw them away. I store them up, put them in the freezer, and then I use them for a recipe like I'm going to show you today. We have our beautiful Blazing Buffalo Extreme leftover mash. I still have that sauce up for sale, so if you want to go grab yourself a bottle, you can. It is really delicious. So this is all just going to go directly into the pot. Now, if you do want to add back any of this stuff, that's really up to you, but it's quite a pain to do it. But the meat in there, you can put it back in here, as well as all the vegetables, and you can blend it up with a stick blender or something like that, and it will also thicken up the soup. I like the soup like this. I like it to be a bit of a broth, and this looks absolutely perfect to me. The last thing to do is just taste it and make sure that the salt levels are right and that the seasoning levels are right. Definitely needs a little bit more salt. There you have it, a delicious, versatile dish. This is fantastic, not just as a snack or a meal or a starter, but if you want to use this as a chicken stock, it will work perfectly if a recipe calls for the chicken stock. I hope that you're not going to be throwing away your chicken wing tips anymore, and that you're going to be storing them in the freezer, ready to use in the simple yet delicious chicken broth. It really is a great use of not only the chicken wing tips, but also your leftover mash from your hot sauces. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you do try this recipe, let me know in the comments below what you think, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Until then, stay safe and stay spicy.